Hey everyone, Ryan B here with Practical Forex Trading. Today's video is about Uniswap. Uniswap versus the US dollar. Where do we think price can go in 2022 for Uniswap? Let's make a price prediction. We're going to do both sides of the coin. We're going to do a bullish prediction and a bearish prediction. That way, we're not necessarily making a prediction of the future. However, we are entertaining the different possibilities of what the future may hold. If you want to stay up to date with all of our videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's a little red thing. This side, bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Let's go ahead. Let me get my camera window moved. Okay, we're looking at a 4-hour chart of Uni versus the US dollar. If I back out, you see this is a big, long downtrend. Coming down from our high of, let's see, $45 back last year. And now we're down to, as of the time of the recording, it's 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, August 28th, 2022. We see Uniswap currently trading for $5.89. Real deal. About 900% off recent highs. So let's go ahead and look what's going on in this action. Now, if I'm going to zoom out to something like the weekly, we see something similar, pretty severe downtrend. What all the kind of, I don't know, call them Wave 2, 2.0 cryptos are doing though, is they're reaching their old prior support back from fall of last year for a lot of these coins when they were initially launching on exchanges, the big exchanges like Binance and such. So we do see some support approaching. We do see here price bounced off 366 and then kind of got to this minor support. We see support here at 597. Excuse me, 575. So let me go ahead and mark this out. So if we think about our resistance and support as a zone, this is our zone right here. So what are the couple scenarios that can happen? Well, good chance we're going to touch down on this $5.50 mark probably this upcoming week. But then it's really about, does it go through? If support holds, then what? So let's say support breaks, then we can see our timeline down here. I would say even if price were to break through here, for the remainder of the year, we'd probably see it kind of ricochet in this support zone down between $3 and $6, and then potentially breaking back above in 2023. Now, let's go ahead and zoom in. Now, we do see a lot of these moving averages colliding. This is really interesting. This is the daily chart. So we've got the 200 swooping down, which is the long term. And we've got the fast in my blue, the 20 and the 50 kind of coming up. And so what I usually look is for divergences. So what I look for is things like when the fast crosses over the mediums, the 20 or the 50, in a bearish fashion, that I'm typically looking for buying scenarios. So let's say what would happen? What would we have to do? What would Uni have to do to be bullish? So going off this kind of little trend that kicked off mid-June, that gave the crypto community some hope. What really needs to happen is that a long-form, broad trend needs to be established. So Uni kind of cradling here around the 550 mark and then moving back up. Now, these moving averages, as you can see, you can kind of guess over time, they're going to keep coming down as price action continues down. However, as they continue to come down, and then if price action remains stable at 550 and then comes back up, now we're sitting on top of the daily 20, 50, and 200. We're dangerously close to doing that. However, here we can see when it hit the weekly trend, it's kind of that, okay, here comes the sell-off, right? Here's the big trend. Here's the big decline right here. Okay? So that's what we just recently came off of. Now the question is, can this price action triangle hold? We're going to see this probably across a lot of crypto charts. If this can hold and not break down into lower support, stay at the support line here, which has been going since June, right? Bitcoin's doing the exact same thing. Shiba's doing this. There's low. If this support can hold, so for Uni it's around 550, then we can, and if we break out of this descending triangle, then we've got an actual trend break. So, bullish scenario. Uniswap holds at 550, carries around through October, and potentially pops out and it goes back up. Then we go make another shoot for the top. Bearish scenario, support does not hold at 550. This long-term daily declining trend line pushes price back down into 344, and then we have another test of this support. So that's both sides of the coin. I am currently bullish on the crypto market. I think this is a great time to be buying. I like buying things on sale. Someone described that to me as bear markets are when all the stocks and things are on sale. I thought that was a great way of thinking of it. And it's also buying the dip. So I'm very into stop losses. So my stop losses will probably be under this 320 mark, right? The last ultimate low in June. If it got lower than that, then I'd be out. US dollars in a tear. So until that changes, we've got a lot of other coins facing headwinds. Okay, that's it. Have a great week trading. I hope you do well. We will talk soon.